Hello, everyone. It's great to be here with you all today. How are you, Jamie?
I'm great, Alex. Thank you. I'm happy to be here. And how are you?
I'm doing very well, thanks.
Ready for a new episode?
Me too. And to all our listeners, before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and please share this video with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
And give us a like.
Exactly. Okay, Alex, are you ready for our topic today?
I am ready. What are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about sports.
Sports. S-P-O-R-T-S. Sports.
Ah, sports. That's a great topic. Very popular. Many people play sports or watch sports.
Yes. So let's start with a simple question. Jamie, do you like sports?
Sports? Well, I love football, soccer. I watch it every weekend.
That's fun. You're a big fan.
Yes, I am. I enjoy the excitement of the game.
What about you? Do you play any sports?
I play basketball. It's my favorite sport. I play with my friends at the park.
Basketball? Cool. Do you play on a team?
Not a real team, just for fun, but we practice a lot.
That's great exercise.
What other sports do people play?
Good question. My brother plays tennis. He hits the ball over the net.
Tennis. Wow. So he plays at a tennis court.
Yes, he plays at a big sports center. He's very good.
That is a fun sport, tennis.
What about your sister? Does she like sports?
Yes, she does. My sister loves swimming. She swims every morning.
Swimming? I love water. Does she swim in a pool?
Yes, she swims in an indoor pool. It's warm and clean.
I feel relaxed just thinking about it.
My father plays sports too. He runs every day.
Running?
Yes, he runs in the park. He says it keeps him healthy.
Oh, that's so good. My friend runs too. She runs 5 kilometers every day.
It's a simple but strong sport.
So we have football, basketball, tennis, swimming, and running. Many sports.
Yes, and there are more. For example, volleyball.
Right. Volleyball is played on a beach or in a gym.
And baseball.
Yes. Baseball players use a bat and a glove. They play on a big field.
What about cycling?
Cycling is great. People ride bikes for fun or for racing.
Or gymnastics.
Gymnastics? Wow. Gymnasts do flips and jumps. They are so strong and graceful.
I love watching gymnastics.
Or boxing.
Boxing is very intense. Boxers train hard and stay focused.
So many different kinds of sports.
What about team sports?
Ah, yes. Many sports need a team.
For example, football.
Football needs 11 players. They pass, run, and score goals.
A very exciting game.
Yes, and basketball.
Basketball has 5 players on each team. They dribble, pass, and shoot.
The coach helps the team.
Exactly. The coach gives advice and makes plans.
That's a good word. Team. T-E-A-M. People in sports are a team.
Yes, a team works together.
It's important to support your teammates.
I agree. Being kind and helpful in sports is very important.
This is a good time to talk about what we say when we play or watch sports.
Ooh, good idea. Simple phrases for sports.
Where do we start?
Let's start before the game. When you meet your teammates, what do you say?
I say, "Hi, everyone," or "Good luck today."
Yes, good luck is friendly and positive.
It is. And after the game, you can say, "Great game," or "Well played."
That's a nice one. Well played or you did your best.
Yes, exactly. You did your best is very kind.
Okay, so we have good luck and great game.
What if you make a mistake during the game?
Oh, mistakes happen. This is normal.
Yes. Don't get angry. Stay calm.
You can say, sorry, team, or my bad.
Perfect. My bad is a friendly way to say sorry in sports.
It is. And if a teammate helps you, always say, thanks, or nice pass.
Very important words.
If someone scores, you can cheer, yes, or go team.
Yes, and they might say, we did it.
Simple, but so good for the team spirit.
It really is.
What about watching a game on TV?
Yes, many people watch sports on TV.
When your team scores, you can shout, goal, or he scored.
That's exciting.
And if the game is close, you might say, it's tied, or anything can happen.
Yes, and if your team wins, you say, we won.
Or victory.
But if they lose,
You can say, better luck next time.
that shows good sportsmanship.
Exactly. Being a good sport means you respect the game and the players.
What about joining a sports club?
Oh, that's a great idea. A sports club is a place to play and meet friends.
Yes, many cities have clubs for football, basketball, or swimming.
So, what do you say when you want to join?
You can say, hi, can I join your team? Or do you need more players?
That's a good phrase. Do you need more players?
Yes, it's polite and clear.
The coach might ask, have you played before?
Then you can say, yes, a little, or I'm a beginner, but I want to learn.
That's honest and positive.
It shows you are ready to try.
What if you want to invite a friend to play?
Inviting friends is fun.
You should always be friendly. So don't just say, play with me.
No, that's not very polite.
You can say, hey, do you want to play basketball later?
Yes, or want to shoot some hoops?
Shoot some hoops means play basketball casually.
It does. And your friend might say, sure, or I'd love to.
Then you say, great, see you at the court.
Simple, but so good for making plans.
It really is.
What about talking about your favorite sport?
Oh, people love to share that.
Yes. A common question is, what's your favorite sport?
Yes.
That question is easy to answer. How can we answer it in a simple way?
Good question. You can start with the sport. My favorite sport is football.
Okay, simple. My favorite sport is swimming.
What's next?
You can say why you like it. For example, it's fun and fast. Or, I love being in the water.
Okay. So, my favorite sport is basketball. It's exciting and I play with my friends.
Perfect.
And then you can say something you enjoy, something positive.
Positive? Like what?
Like, I love scoring goals, or I feel strong when I run.
Oh, I see. Something happy about the sport.
Yes, it shows you really enjoy it.
So let's try. If someone asks me, what's your favorite sport? I can say, hello, my favorite sport is football. It's fast and fun, and I love watching the World Cup.
That is a fantastic answer, Alex. It's simple, clear, and positive. Alex, what's your favorite sport?
Hello. My favorite sport is tennis. I like the quiet focus of the game, and I enjoy playing outdoors.
Very good, Alex. You're on the team.
Yay! Thank you.
So that's one question. What is another common question about sports?
They often ask, do you play any sports?
Oh, yes. Very common.
They want to know if you are active. So what is a good, simple answer?
You should be honest and positive. For example, yes, I play basketball twice a week.
Okay, that makes sense.
Or, not really, but I watch a lot of football.
Yes, that's a wonderful answer.
What if you're just starting?
You could say, I'm learning to swim, or I just joined a running group.
That's great. It's honest and shows you're trying.
It shows you like being active.
Exactly. It's important to be positive. Smile when you talk about sports.
Yes, a smile shows you enjoy the topic.
It does.
Okay, another question. Sometimes they ask, why do you like this sport?
Ah, yes.
They want to know what makes it special for you.
So, what is a good, simple answer?
You can talk about how it makes you feel.
For example, football makes me happy. Or Swimming helps me relax.
Yes. Or, I love the teamwork in basketball.
That's a great answer.
It's personal and true.
Exactly. It's important to speak from your heart.
Yes. Just be yourself.
What about skills in sports?
Skills. skills. Skills are the things you can do well in a sport.
Yes. So, what are some good sports skills to mention?
Well, for football, you can say, I'm a good passer, or I have strong legs.
I'm a good passer. Good one.
What else?
Oh, speed. I'm very fast.
Yes, that's important in many sports.
You can also say things like, I have good balance, or I learn new moves quickly.
I learn quickly. I love that one.
It tells others that you are ready to improve.
Yes, it's a very positive thing to say.
It shows you are open and willing to grow.
I like to run.
That's great exercise.
So let's review the sports conversation questions.
1. What's your favorite sport?
Answer with the sport, why you like it, and something positive.
2. Do you play any sports?
Answer honestly, yes, no, or I'm learning.
3. Why do you like this sport?
Answer with how it makes you feel. It's fun, it's relaxing, I love the team.
This is great advice, Alex.
I think this will really help our listeners.
I hope so. Talking about sports is just sharing joy.
It's okay to be simple.
Yes, being simple is best. Just speak clearly and smile.
Yes, being nervous is normal, but with sports, just relax and enjoy.
Exactly. And what about watching sports with friends?
At the end of a game, people often say, that was amazing, or what a match.
Ah, yes. It's very good to share your feelings.
But what can you say during the game?
It should be encouraging. A simple and good phrase is, come on, team.
Ooh, I like that phrase. It's energetic.
It helps your team feel supported.
It does. Or you can say, nice shot, or great defense.
Another great phrase.
It shows you care about the game and the players.
Yes, so don't just stay quiet. Cheer a little.
Good tip. It makes the game more fun for everyone.
It really does.
Wow, Jamie, we have talked about a lot today.
We have. We talked about different sports like football, basketball, tennis, swimming, and running.
We talked about friendly phrases to use in sports like good luck and well played.
And we talked about how to answer common questions about your favorite sport.
I think our listeners have a lot of new words and phrases now.
Yes, and we hope it was all very helpful.
Remember, learning sports words and learning English is a process.
That's right. Take it one step at a time.
Every day you learn something new.
And that is a wonderful thing.
It was a lot of fun talking about sports with you, Jamie.
It was fun with you too, Alex.
I feel ready to play a game now.
Me too. I'm ready to cheer for my team.
Perfect.
Well, our time is almost up for today.
Already! Wow, time goes fast when we were having fun.
It really does.
To all our amazing listeners, thank you so much for joining us on English Unplugged today.
Yes, thank you, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation about sports, and we would love to hear from you.
Please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what is your favorite sport? Or what sport do you want to try in the future?
Oh, that's a great question. I want to read the comments.
Please tell us about your sport.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
And share this one with a friend who loves sports.
That's a great idea. Share the fun.
Well, until next time, keep practicing and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.